ಚಂದ ಉಂಟು. It's more like purple, not violet. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. So today we are going out for a silk saree shopping in Jayalakshmi Silks in Udupi here. So we are going to do Kanjivaram silk saree shopping. Of course, this is not pure Kanjivaram silk saree that we are buying. This is around the range of 5,000 somewhere there. So it's more like machine work or whatever you call it. So it's not the real, hand woven Kanjivaram. It's not that. Original Kanjivaram retails around 25,000-30,000. So these are all imitation kind of, which comes around 5,000 in your budget. Starts from 1,000 to whatever range you want. So we are looking for such kind of saree. So it's here in Jayalakshmi Silks. That's the name of the shop here in Udupi, Bannanje. There we'll go. I hope they let me vlog. We plan to buy about 2-3 sarees. I hope I can show you all of that. Let's begin. I hope you're excited as me. This time going for saree shopping feels different because baby is sleeping at home, and thanks to the support system that I have who are taking care of the baby, thanks to my mother, father, and the Mai that we have. This is Jayalakshmi Silks. Oh, they are sending for parking and all. It's a huge 4-story shop. Oh, see, they have a lot of parking here and lots of crowd coming in. See, you have valet parking, scooter parking, and then there's some food shop also here. They made it like how Bangalore is, no? Like that. I liked it. The food shop here, some small cafe, and lots of parking space. Very beautifully constructed. People to help you with parking. Lot of security. Employees of Jayalakshmi are, so there's a canteen kind of a thing here. I think they're given food. Not sure if it's free or what, but all the arrangements for employees also are very good. This board near the lift is very helpful. It says what you can find in which floor, and that helps a lot. Also, the people standing there help you with which floor you have to go. And after you come to that particular floor, here people will ask you what is the cost range, price range of saree you want to see. Oh, कसं की विंगड नमण्याचे अरेंजमेंट पळा. Purple violet color.
ಯಾವ ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶೇಡ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ, ಇದು ಬ್ಲೂ ಶೇಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದಾದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ಓಕೆ. Red violet color, so that's why they're showing me all violet color sarees. This costs how much? This is 6,800 पड़ा. 5 मणर 7,000 चाहिए पड़ा. 6,800 है. 5 मणर 7 आइल पड़ा. यहाँ 5,250. ओप्पो यहाँ 8,000 है. This is 8,000. हाँ. ओहो. Oh, this is all purple pink shade.
ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. This is onion color and green border. This is little lighter and green border. This is good. What is this costing?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆ
5,250. Ah, okay. Ah. This is blue and green. Okay.
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್
Oh.
ಇದು ರೇರ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್
Ah.
ಪರ್ಪಲ್ಗೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್
Purple and gold.
ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್
Okay. This is dark violet.
ರೇರ್
Okay. Uh-huh. ಇದು ಚಂದ ಉಂಟು.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ
It's more like purple, not violet. From choosing violet, I changed my mind to peach onion color, and that's the reason there's so much influx of onion peach colored saris. So they started showing me more in that shade. And then I told them I'd want to wear a drape this on me and see how it looks. I liked this sari a lot, so then I thought let me try it, because the sari, if you wear it, only looks good on you. I mean, you don't get an idea unless you wear it. That's what I can tell from my personal experience. Unless you put it on yourself and see it with the blouse and the body of the sari, you don't get a proper idea how it really looks. And that's exactly what these two beautiful ladies here in Jayalakshmi store are doing it for me. They are draping the sari, just a rough sketch, and they're making me wear a jewelry also to see how it looks with the jewelry. And here they drape the sari, and also now she's putting the blouse piece on the shoulder, so that this gives an idea how the color combination looks, how the body of the sari looks. So this gives you an idea. If this suits you, you can take pictures and then you can see how it looks in the photo. So this gives a lot of idea how the sari looks on you. I finalized kind of this sari and then thought let's see something in blue color, because I kind of felt that was in trend, blue color saris, and this is what he showed me. I like this. The combination like dark color I like. That I didn't like. I like this color. This colors, bright colors is what I like. Neon colors. Then I thought let's check out tissue Kanjivaram silk.
ಈಗ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Oh, the tissue silk. Okay. I was told that tissue silk generally comes in pastel colors, that is light colors like very light green, very light cream color, and then very light purple and blue and those kind of colors. But then here I was surprised to know that there are contrast kind of tissue saris also. This is how that tissue sari looks when opened. Pink color border, golden and purple kind of body, and I was confused after this. So here there are some more pastel color tissue silk saris, some in pink, violet, and this is peach color. 2,650. And blue color, and red green, and color. Dole pink green, I like this contrast green color and violet color tissue sari, and this was in pink and violet, and there was then another green color. Then there was this pink color sari with turquoise color border, and then this green was very nice. But then I had already got this kind of sari for my 5th month pregnancy ceremony as a gift from my husband's side. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll leave a link in the I button. You can watch it. And then I asked them to open and show me this purple and turquoise color sari. After checking out tissue silk saris, I thought let's check out traditional Kanjivaram. Again, something in blue, sky blue color. Blue and violet. The blue ಮತ್ತೆ
ಬ್ಲೂ
green.
ಶೇಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸೋದಾ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಇಂಥ ಕಲರ್ ಶೇಡಲ್ಲಿ 2800 2600 this is. These were all blue color saris, blue and violet, blue and pink, blue and purple, and all were in less than 3000 range. I was checking these out. I liked the blue, but I was not liking the combination or the designs or something. I don't know. It's unexplainable, I guess. Only the ones who feel it can understand. Sometimes you don't like the sari for no reason at all. Until you feel that click, you don't buy it. And then that's what I was doing. I was comparing and waiting for that click. And maybe this one clicked because of the bright color border. And after all the struggle, these are the 4 saris which I had shortlisted. And now the big struggle begins. 4, 5 saris. Out of these, I have to choose which one to buy. Oh God. I was asking my husband, which one do you think is good? And then he was, of course, like all men, he was acting clueless and saying, I had no idea. And then I asked them to drape that blue and pink color sari on me. How do you think this is? Do you think it's suiting me? Let me know in the comments. Which one are you liking out of the 5 that I selected? And then this is purple and turquoise color sari, the tissue silk one. How do you think this is? Let me know in the comments. And thanks to this amazing woman that who is helping me to drape the sari. These ladies in the shop really help you to choose the best sari, and make sure you go there early, because when we went it was already 8:30 in the night and the shop closes at 9. So of course they'll be in a hurry to rush home. So if you go in the evening times or in the daytime, I was checking out the sari in the mirror to understand how it's looking. Also, this is how the sari looks in the picture. Let me know how it looks in the comments. Also, if you're watching my video for the first time, thank you. Welcome to my channel. And if you like the video, please hit that like button and please do subscribe. This is the peach colored tissue sari. Everything just is one color. There's no other color in the sari. There's no contrast. There's no combination. And this is how the sari is looking on me. And this is how the picture looks. Tell me, would you buy this sari? And this is how me and Guruji look. Guruji is of course tired, but we are not done yet. And I'm trying to cheer him up. Akkasane matina. Aku matena. Oh, yeah, pura baby bed. And then we came to the kids section in Jayalakshmi Silks. and because it was Yugadi time, somewhere in March, April, I guess, and that's when my father told us to buy a good dress for the baby on his behalf. And here we are checking out cute baby dresses. These are all grand dresses. This is like a set with comes with shoes and bow and hairband, and then this one is in yellow and this one is in white. But then I really feel these dresses make the baby very irritated, and it feels the baby may itchy and pricky and all those. So I then thought to buy a simple dress, like more like a cotton. That's what I make my baby wear these days, cotton dresses to every other function and whenever we step out. 500. Okay. I like this pink color dress, but then my baby had received so many pink color dresses on its naming ceremony, so I was done with the pink. So I thought I'll go with this blue color dress. And then this is the dress which we bought for our baby girl Gayatri, gifted by my father. You have to tap there something. It will generate something. You have to tap there all your basket numbers. And then it will generate something. 1685. And then it will show what here 1685, and then it will display there. Then you have to come here. Blue color and pink color. And this one cost 2,400. It was 2,600, which we got for a discount of 2,400. So this is good. This is one which I selected. And sari, which is peach color, and this bright green color bottle, turquoise green color border. This was around 5,250 is the cost, which got discounted to 4,725. This is good. A different color combination in this color. This is nice. This is also nice. And I liked this one. This is tissue silk. So this is onion color or whatever. Maybe that's similar to that sari, but this is a little pinkish and this is a little onionish. This is plain Kanjivaram, traditional one, and this is tissue silk sari. It's trending. This is little lighter, this is heavier. 2,400 both costed. Everything is in the same color, border and everything. So yeah, I like this one more. Let me know which one did you like in the comment section. Yeah, we reached home. I bought around 3 saris and 2 clothes for my baby for Yugadi. This is mostly like a Yugadi special vlog, Yugadi special shopping. So, yes, I hope you enjoyed watching. It was very difficult for me to leave the baby at home. Thanks to my mom, dad and Mai for our Balantire Mai, Lalita Mai for looking after the baby when we were in the shop. The baby is just 2 months old now. So it was too much guilt for me stepping out. The mom guilt is real. We had to go. There was no other option. So I and Guruji went. My God, around 9 o'clock in the night. We went around 7:45, and by 9 o'clock it was just crying and crying that it wanted me only to feed it. So then my mom called, "Where are you guys?" We were near the house, so we came and it was all crying. So it felt very bad. I guess all the mothers will relate to me whatever I said. Yeah, all in all, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please do subscribe. If you like the video, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which sari did you like the most out of the 3 saris that I bought. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.